Hey guys, so sorry for the glare in my glasses in this video, but I could not find my contacts today, so that was a problem. But in today's video, I just wanted to show you guys how to do a very simple beanie today, and this is what it looks like. It's black, so it's a little bit harder to see, but it's a very simple beanie. You literally just work in the rounds, and there's only 20 rounds altogether. So like I said, it's a very simple, easy beanie to do, and you can finish it in 1 to 2 hours depending on how quick you crochet. You can make these in any color. You could add stripes, you can leave it as is. So this is what we're doing in today's video. Okay, so in today's video we're gonna need weight 4, which is a medium weight. And this is Impeccable from Loops and Threads. It's just this black yarn. You're going to need a pair of scissors. Today I'm using a 5.5 millimeter hook and your yarning needle. First, what you're going to want to do is we're going to want to make our slip knot, and we're going to chain 5. So wrap your yarn around your fingers. I take my hook and I grab the back loop and I just pull up. And then pull your working yarn and tighten it onto your hook. So like I said, we're going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're gonna want, I know that the black is a little hard to see, but we're gonna want to slip stitch into this first chain over here. So this first chain we're gonna want to slip stitch to make our circle. Now, since we have our circle here, we're gonna do 12 double crochets into the center of the circle. And a double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook, so we're going to insert again into that center, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Again, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So go ahead and do the other 10 and I'll meet you at the end of this round. Here we have our 10 double crochets into the center. So now we're just going to slip stitch into the first double crochet that we made. So that's going to be right here. Yarn over, pull through, and then pull through the loop as well. Now we're going to chain 2, and we're going to double crochet into that same stitch that we did our 2 chains from. So right here, this spot, this very tiny spot right here, we're going to do a double crochet. So we just did a double crochet into this one with our 2 chains here. So this 2 chains is going to count as a double crochet. In each stitch we're going to do 2 double crochets. So the next stitch is right here, and we're going to do 2 double crochets. And the next stitch after that is here, and again we're going to do 2 more double crochets. So we're going to keep that pattern this whole round. So this is round 2. We're going to do 2 double crochets in each stitch. So here's 1 double crochet in this stitch, and then we're going to do 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. And then there's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and we're going to keep doing that this whole round, and then I'll meet you back at the end. Okay, so I finished round 2, So now we're just going to slip stitch again into the top of the chain 2 here. So yarn over, pull through, and then pull through that loop. So in round 2, the round that we just did, you should have a total of 22 stitches all the way around. So round 3, we're going to do chain 2. This is the area we just did our chain 2 from. So the next stitch is here. So this is the next stitch that we'll work into, and we'll do 2 double crochets into that next stitch. So 1, 2, and then the next stitch we're going to go ahead and do 1 double crochet, and the next stitch we'll go ahead and do 2 into that stitch. So 2 double crochets. So there's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and you can see that in this round 3, we're going to do a pattern of 1 double crochet into the stitch, and then 2 double crochets into the next stitch, 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochets. So that's the pattern that we're going to do all the way around in round 3, and then I'll meet you guys at the end again. So we just finished round 3. We're going to do a slip stitch into the chain 2 at the top. And then we're going to chain 2, and we're going to do 1 double crochet into the next stitch right here. And then in the next stitch we're going to do 2 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, and then we're going to do 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. So that's 1 double crochet, and then 1 more double crochet into the next stitch. So we have 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets into 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then the next stitch will be 2 double crochets. 1, oops, 2, and then the pattern again is 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochets into this stitch. And we're going to go ahead and finish round 4, and I'll meet you guys at the end. Just finished round 4. We're going to again slip stitch into the top of chain 2. Chain 2 again, and then we're going to do 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. So that's 1, 2, so that's 3 double crochets, 3 separate double crochets, and then we're going to do 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And as you can tell, for round 5, this is what our pattern is going to be. We're going to do 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, our 3rd double crochet, and then we're going to do 2 double crochets into the same stitch. So 1 and 2. And this is again round 5. So go ahead and do 3 separate double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then 2 double crochets together, and then 1, 2, 3 separate double crochets, and then 2 double crochets together. And I'll meet you guys at the end of round 5. It's very repetitive, but we're going to slip stitch into the top of chain 2, chain 2 again, and then we're going to do 8 more double crochets. So this counts as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to do a total of 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to do 2 double crochets into the next stitch. So 1, 2 for our increase. And then we're going to do another 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then in the next stitch we're going to do 2 double crochets. So for round 6 our pattern is 1 double crochet in 9 stitches and then 2 double crochet into the next stitch. So finish this round and I'll see you guys at the end. Okay guys, so we have made it through round 6. I just did my slip knot. We're going to do chain 2 for every round. Keep in mind that you're going to want to do a slip stitch and then you're going to want to do chain 2 to get the length or to get the height of your next round. So from here on out, all you're going to do is 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach from the center to the end. It should be about 9 or 10 inches long. So go ahead and keep doing your rounds until you reach 9 to 10 inches. And then we're going to have our beanie for Dad all complete. Alright, I'll see you guys at the end. I'm just going to lay it down here real quick and make sure that it is the correct length. So as you guys can tell, it is about 9.5 inches there. That's our beanie for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching today's video. Again, it was super simple, it was super quick to whip up. So if you're a beginner or if you've been crocheting for a while, this is a very easy project for you to do for your dad or your husband or your son for Father's Day. So I hope you guys enjoy. Tag me in any pictures that you guys make and have fun. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.